Now we're ready to discuss the finished product and creating the executable file and then deploying your application. Actually, every time you have successfully compiled an executable program, Visual Studio has been creating by default an exe or executable file that could be used as a standalone file automatically. You can find this file in your directory by going to the location where your folder and solution files are located. Using the multiple form program that we used earlier as a demonstration, I'm going to the directory where I have this project. And as you can see, you see the folder file along with the solution file. If I open the folder file, I will see then a folder called bin. Opening the bin folder then presents me with two other folders. Inside the debug folder, you will find the exe file. This is an exe file that is now able to be run as a standalone file. From this, you could right click and send it to a desktop, or create a shortcut, and you could then run the project in an environment such as the Windows environment, but not within Visual Studio. So all the user would have to do is have the .NET framework on their machine, but they would not necessarily have to have Visual Studio. When you're ready to deploy your application or distribute your application among other computers, you can return to the project and click on the Build menu item and then choose Publish for your project. By selecting the Publish option, this will launch the Publish wizard, which gives you the option of specifying a file path, a website, or an FTP server. Media options for distribution are CD-ROM or DVD, or file sharing through a network, or via the web. You can also have the program check for updates online. If you deploy to a folder on your system, you'll find a setup.exe application inside of the folder. Try copying that folder to a CD and then install your program on another machine. Following these steps will take you through the process of deploying your application to another machine, and you'll have a fully executable standalone project.